Medyo mahirap yung ginawang ni Osen Rosella para kiti-kiti.
Yes, and that's the reason why Pure Foods has 2-point guards in the game at this stage. Na-anticipate nila ang press ng Alaska, and Rosella is still down on the floor, hammered by Johnny Abarrientos.
Osen Rosella wanted to call attention to that bump by Johnny Abarrientos. At si Johnny medyo nag-react, sabi niya. Sobra naman. At ito naman si Jojo Lastimosa, lumalapit na kay Osen Rosella. Medyo na-feel na yata ng Alaska ang pressure eh. At si Giovanni Pineda, sabi kay Osen Rosella, tama na yan. Basketball na lang tayo. Less than a minute to go on this ball game, ladies and gentlemen. This is Game 3 of the Best of 7 Championship Series between Alaska Milk and Pure Foods. Alaska looking for game number 3. Pure Foods, hinahanap pa po ang kauna-unahan nilang panalo dito sa seryeng ito.